You built a job, not a business. If revenue stops when you stop working, you don't own a business. You own a job with overhead and a truck payment. I see this constantly with contractors doing $500,000 to $1 million per year. They are the estimator, the closer, the project manager, and sometimes still the lead tech on the job. Everything runs through them. Nothing moves without their hands on it. That is not a business, that is a trap. The first step out of that trap is not hiring a salesperson or buying new software. It's building one system simple enough that someone else can run it without you involved. That's why I always start with the estimate follow-up system. It's the easiest piece to hand off: a tracking sheet, a set of message templates, a Monday morning checklist. Your office coordinator can run it. Your spouse can run it. Anyone with a phone and 15 minutes per day can run it. Once revenue starts coming in without you personally touching every estimate, you start to see what a real business looks like. You don't systematize everything overnight, but you can systematize the follow-up this week. And that one system might recover $8,000 to $12,000 per month. That's currently stuck in your head and disappearing through the cracks. Start there, build that habit, then build the next one. That's how a job becomes a business. I'm the no red tape guy. This is what I do. NoRedTapeGuy.com. And with that, more to come.